Moon will keep my heart tonight. Hold the feelings I can't speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforting. Stars are shining, watching us in peace, remembering laughter that slowly cease. I reach for you in dreams so near.